Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders. This is Alex from MarketWise Asia. The date today, it is the 5th of January 2024. It is a Friday near the afternoon, 11:50 a.m. So just to let you know, I'm no longer doing the public Facebook Live on a Friday evening at 11:30 p.m. I think quite a number of you should have known, okay, if you follow me on the Facebook and also on the Telegram channel. So I switched to Monday. So the next public Facebook Live will be on the 8th of January, okay, next Monday. And the time will be changed as well to 10:30 p.m. at night. Okay, it's still at night, but 1 hour earlier than the usual one at 11:30. So the reason why I'm doing this video is just to give you a very quick, okay, end of the week updates, okay. So to share with you, what has happened since I shared the weekly update on Tuesday. And yeah, so also just let you know, I'm also a bit under the weather, got some runny nose and blocked nose. So bear with me with my sexy voice also. Okay, so let's kickstart this session. Okay, so by the way, I have a lot of things to share to you, but I need to take it slower. Okay, else you'll be flooded with a lot of things. Okay, I think quite a number of you asked me, how do I set my take profit target, set my stop loss. Okay, I will do a masterclass video on it soon. Just give me some time. Okay, and also, okay, I've also purchased the Larry William annual forecast report. Okay, so this is his site forecast report. Okay, I bought it. Yes, I bought it. So of course I cannot share with you guys. Okay, this is against the IP, the intellectual property, and also its materials. But I will share with you a few key things that what I think is important. Okay, so you guys don't have to buy it. Okay, but of course if you want to buy it, you guys are free to purchase also. So yeah, so the report actually costs 249. Okay, so you're getting the key things from me. So I think you already cover your seasonal vantage, okay, subscription fee already. Okay, anyway, so yeah, of course I just repeat, I cannot share the PDF with you. Okay, so just to share key things with you guys. Okay, yeah, so give me some time. Okay, let's head to the market right now. So during the Tuesday update, right, I mentioned quite a few stocks over there. Okay, I mentioned about the utilities. I mentioned a few healthcare stocks. I said that health, utilities could be going higher, and I think that January, okay, I think there could be some downside to go because based on the roadmap that I share with you guys. In case you haven't watched the last week video, okay, do watch the last week video over here, the market update sectors to watch, okay. All right, and also the public Facebook Live last Friday. Yeah, last Friday. Okay, and of course the latest post that I posted on 3rd of January. That's about 2 days ago. I also reposted this election year seasonal trend of the S&P 500. Okay, so again, nothing much has changed. I still use this as a roadmap. Right now, it seems that it is working pretty well. Can you see that, at the start of January, again, the market has starting to come down. Okay, again, I want to emphasize that this is not a prediction. Okay, we still have to watch the current price action, what the price is actually doing out, telling us. Okay, it can be, market breadth, market internals, okay, all right, options flow, whatever it is. Okay, we still need to know that price action. It doesn't mean that market will, bottom at end of January or the bottom of March, that kind of thing. Okay, the market don't repeat every single year exactly the same. But I can tell you, it often rhymes. So we just need to get some clues. As I have more clues, okay, I will share with you guys in the members area as well. So yeah, so let's head over to the data over here, a recap over here. So I don't talk about the bearish stock first. So I talk about the bullish one. So this week was actually 1st to 7th of January, right? So I shared quite a few stocks over there. Okay, mainly is the utilities. I said the utilities looks pretty strong, and I also mentioned that because of the potential correction, defensive stocks tends to perform better than the rest of the other stocks like tech stocks, consumer discretionary. So I mentioned a few, for example, the utilities like the SRE, like the ES, okay, and also the PEG, okay. I personally, I entered into SRE. I also mentioned during inside the members area on this post over here, the latest one. You can see over here, I say the position that I'm holding. Long is SRE, short is XME, LZB, and PSMT over here. Okay, so the Sempra Energy, let's head over to the Sempra Energy. Sempra Energy is SRE. Okay, SRE over there. So as I mentioned, okay, over here, this is the wash line over here, okay, and on Tuesday, this big green bar over here, I enter on this bar over here, okay. I did not enter at the close, okay. I entered after the first hour, so I see how the market actually performed, okay, for the utilities, especially that's the first day of the week, and I said, hey, you know, market's really coming down and utilities start to come up, so I let the market settle down first after 1 hour, and I think I entered about somewhere around in the mid price over here. Then of course right now I am in profit lah, but right now yesterday close rate, okay, I'm still holding on to this position right now, okay. And the rest of the one, okay, I initially wanted to enter ES. This is the Eversoft Energy, okay, but somehow I couldn't get in. Price got in too fast with this, so I don't want to chase, okay. Somehow I set my limit order, just cannot fill, okay, so I didn't chase. I went to SRE instead, okay. So on hindsight, okay, SRE actually performed much better, then PG, okay lah, okay, it's still okay. PG is still okay. All right, so you can see that after the wash line, it is still continuing to go higher. Okay, so if you actually enter a few of these utilities, you should have some profit, okay, depending on where you enter. Once again, okay, you need to set your stop loss level, okay, you need to set your stop. Again, it can be, you know, at the swing low over here, at the swing low over here, whatever it is, okay, because I don't know what price you enter, I don't know where's entry price, okay, how is your trading style, exactly what it is, okay. But all in all, you need to set a stop loss level. So just in case the market just suddenly turn against us, okay, all right, you are able to get out with break-even price or minimal losses. Okay, the key thing is you need to protect your capital. Again, my stop loss, you know, profit target, I will share with you guys doing another masterclass video in another time. Okay, maybe next week or so. Okay, let me kind of recoup my health first. Okay, running nose and block nose over here. Okay, and the other one I mentioned is the bearish side of thing is actually the for the ETF. Okay, is actually the XME. Okay, this is the metals and mining 5th Jan to 30th Jan. Okay, for the past 15 years, 13 years, it closed lower in the month of January. Again, these are XME metals and mining. It's not precious metal. It's not the precious metal like gold and silver. It's mainly the other metals like the aluminium, you know, copper, steel, and such. Okay, or the rare earth metals. So for XME, I also entered a short position. Okay, so you can see that previously I mentioned that this is the wash line, and also on Friday, price already came down already. Okay, it's already came down already. So I entered on Tuesday on this bar over here. Okay, I set a stop limit order. I think my stop limit order was somewhere around here, the prior closing price around there. Okay, which is somewhere around here lah. Somewhere around here. Okay, yeah. So set the limit order and it got filled. Okay, when it first opened, I didn't get filled. Okay, after that, you know, price go higher, then I got filled lah. Okay, all right, then price continued to go lower over here for the next 2 days, and yesterday price kind of consolidating over here, and it is not surprising. Okay, why am I not surprised? Okay, because okay, we are at the central pivot range and also at the pivot point, so it's not surprising that price will find a temporal support at this level over here, but I'm still holding on to this position. Okay, all right, and if judging by, okay, then data, right, we still have some room to go. The window period is until about 30th of Jan. Personally, okay, I think that there could be more downside to go lah. But of course, if you haven't entered, okay, you want to enter now, then you are facing more risk now, okay, because you know the best time to enter was this, but I missed it, so I entered on the next day. Okay, my stop is somewhere around the top over here. Okay, all right, so if you entered now, your stop has to be a lot higher already. Okay, because you if you place it here, there's a very likelihood that price can go higher and get stop out. So please don't copy me, okay? If you missed it, not the best time to enter, then skip the trade. Again, I need to repeat, SVI is not a copy trade and also not a trade signal service. I provide the ideas to you, okay? Because I think some of you guys might have your own trading style, whatever it is, okay? The SVI is meant for me to zoom in the data, quantifiable data, to tell you which is the most favorable period to enter, to buy or sell, okay? The rest of the things like exit, buying, it's entirely up to you. Because most of the time, even when I posted on the members area, okay, it's too late already, okay? I mean that, of course, the weekly video is still okay, but, yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, right? Okay, because I cannot be posting live, all right, okay? This is very important, okay? So this is why I'm still holding on to it, in case you want to know, I'm still holding on. So, yeah, typically, okay, as I mentioned, right, my risk to reward, okay, all right, I like to have 1.5 R, then I'll be happy to take my profit, okay, which means that, okay, let's say if I position size myself, if my absolute dollar risk is $100, okay, if my profit has $150, I will take the profit. Okay. I know if you read a lot of books, they say that, your risk to reward at least 2 times, 3 times, that kind, okay, which means that if you risk 100, you have to get 200, 300, that kind. But based on my experience, right, it is kind of hard to get it one swing, okay, to get 2 times the risk to reward, okay. So personally, 150, I say 1.5 R, I'll be happy to take. Okay, again, if you don't understand what I'm trying to say, not to worry. Okay, I will share with you another masterclass next week or so. But all in all, okay, this is my style over there, because every single week there will be 3 ideas. So I'm not afraid that I cannot catch some of the trends over there. Okay, so that's all for the bearish ETF over there. For the stocks, right? Okay, so the one that caught my attention, okay, I already mentioned also. So nothing much has changed. So I mentioned about the PSMT, okay, Price Smart, okay, 5th Jan to 2nd Feb, okay, and also the Lazy Boy, which is a furniture maker, LZB 5th Jan to 7th Feb, okay, this is the bearish side of the stocks over here. So for PSMT, I have already exited. Okay, I have already exited. So yesterday was a very good 2 days of flush down over there. So my risk reward has already 1.5 R reading. So I already exited, and it's a good time to exit also. Okay, because hitting near the end of the central pivot range. Okay, I mean there could be some technical report, and we also near the earnings already. Okay, so I'm quite happy with the trade. Okay, so I already exited PSMT. So once again, same thing. Okay, I repeat that time. Okay, there's a wash line over there. Price close higher than the prior day high. Okay, and then price cannot go higher and go back, reverse back down and stay below the wash line. Okay, and I enter on Tuesday over there. Okay, once again I set a stop limit order. So the market open. Okay, hit the closing price over there. Then I get triggered. Okay, and then price continue to head down lower. The other one I'm holding is this LZB Lazy Boy over there. Okay, so price action not as swift as that I wish that it could be, but nevertheless I think it's still doing quite okay. So price came down again. This is the wash line I mentioned. Okay, price came down over there. So I entered on the Tuesday over there. Okay, sorry, this one I entered on Friday. Yeah, I mentioned during last Friday Facebook Live. I mentioned on that. Yeah, so I got some profit over there. So again, not surprising that it is stuck at the area, because it's at the pivot point, at the central pivot range over there. So once again, I'm still holding on to a position. I'm anticipating there could be more downside. Again, not a copy trade. Okay, if you enter now, your stop loss level has to place a lot higher. Okay, your risk widen, which means that price has to move a lot more for you to get the same risk to reward. Okay, and yeah, so this is just the update on what I did over there. Okay, and just to take a look at the indices right now. Okay, so the indices, okay, yeah, price has been coming down, okay, since the start of January. So actually yesterday on my personal Facebook, okay, I wrote this, okay? Uptrend generally 开低走高, okay? Downtrend generally 开高走低. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Okay, 开低走高 means it open lower, close higher. Okay, 开低嘛 open lower, 走高 go higher. Downtrend typically, okay, 开高走低 open higher. The market open higher, subsequently towards the end of the day, you close lower. That is the characteristic of either uptrend or downtrend. Okay, all right, or in a correction phase. When it's coming down, okay, market open, it tends to go higher first. Okay, so yesterday was actually quite choppy. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. Let's drill down to the intraday, so you can see exactly what I meant by that. Okay, so let's go to the naked chart over there. So I go to the 5-minute time frame. So this is the S&P 500. Okay, so the market opened at 10:30 over here, alternate B. So this is the one. Okay, you can see lah, because during the day itself, the futures afternoon session, no volume one until at night 10:30 p.m. Singapore time, the volume started to go higher because that's when the US market opened. Okay, so can you see 开高走低 open higher than close lower. Can you see that initially pop go higher. So I think it caught quite a bit of traders, okay, or investors thinking that, hey, a slight pullback is time to go in. So they go in, okay, after that, price subsequently go lower. So can you see that over there it is, okay, yeah, about after lunch, after 2 hours later, 12 o'clock onwards, a.m. Singapore time, that is their 11 a.m. or so, then price started to go down lower. Okay, all right, and then subsequently, towards the closing, it was pretty bearish over there, close somewhere near the low over there lah. Okay, which is 5 o'clock. Okay, somewhere close at 5 o'clock, then the market just kind of floating after hours again. So same for Nasdaq, same. Okay, 10:30 over there, 开高走低 over there. Okay, so this is a characteristic of a downtrend. So okay, I was anticipating that it really happened. Okay, which means that the market is kind of in a downtrend move right now. Anyway, okay, if you want to add me on my personal Facebook, it is okay. Okay, just add me as friend because I want to connect with you guys also. My username is Alex Yo, facebook.com/Alex Yo. Yes, I managed to get this one. Okay, Alex Yo. Okay, add me. But if you want to add me, I would advise you to at least drop me a message. Okay, after you added me, saying that you are from FCI. At least I know who you are, because if you just add me and we have no mutual friend or whatsoever, okay, a lot of times I don't just accept. Okay, because there's a lot of scams, a lot of fake profiles. So if you add me, okay, feel free to add me if you want to. Okay, don't want to, never mind. Okay, drop me a message saying that you're from SVI. Then I know that who you are lah. Okay, so this is the S&P 500 over there. So let's go to the daily time frame. So so add in this one. Okay, so this is the S&P futures over there. So can you see that price has already broken below the pivot point and going down. So I think the selling is not over yet. There's a very likelihood that at least price will go down to test the lower range of the central pivot range, which is at about 4720. 4720. 4720. This is the S&P futures. Okay. For the Nasdaq, okay, all right. So initially I thought that, hey, maybe the market might do a rebound, but it didn't. Okay, it continued to go down lower. And right now, the Nasdaq futures is already below the central pivot range already. So market is not looking that good for the Nasdaq. Okay, and then for the Dow Jones, okay, it is the strongest among the three indices, still hovering near the high. Okay, at the top range of the central pivot range, which I suspect, okay, the market might have more downside, because cannot be the Dow still at a high, then no correction, and after that continue to go higher. I think there should be more downside. So if it's going down, which means that the S&P will continue to go down also, okay? And then for the Nasdaq continue to go down also, okay? How low will it go? I don't know. Okay, we still need to watch the action, price action, day by day. But judging by the roadmap that I share, okay, I can kind of expect lower price until somewhere near the end of January. But of course, don't expect price to be, just one straight line down all the way lah. Along the way, there could be some slight rebound, that kind of thing, and then go back lower, rebound, then go down lower. But all in all, I'm expecting price to go down lower until maybe about the end of January. But again, okay, even without this roadmap, right, okay, I think it is, to me, it's common sense also lah. I don't know whether you find it's a common sense or not. Okay, the market has been rallying since November, so high already. Market breadth is at a high already. So it's not surprisingly that market, had a correction right now. So it's not surprised lah. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is and also the VVIX ratio over there, VVIX ratio. Okay, this is the market internals that I'm looking at also. So last Friday, Facebook Live, I also mentioned that, while the market went higher last year towards the end of the year, but VVIX kind of get stagnant. Okay, and right now, VVIX is coming down also, which is confirming that, the market, it is having right now a correction. So, VVIX is not showing sign of stopping or whatsoever. So I think that the market might have more downside. Okay, this is just my guess and anticipation. Okay, all right, when there's kind of a reversal signal again, then I'll kind of inform you guys. When there's a reversal signal, then which means that, okay, whatever you are shorting, whatever it is, okay, then it'll be wise to take some profit off the table. Okay, all right, and yeah, I think that's all for now. And anyway, if you enjoy my video, like my sharing, okay, it is, I think, give me some response. Okay, I will share this, is the video over here, right? So just it is okay to flood the conversation. Okay, at least let me know that you guys are enjoying the content. Share with me. Okay, type yes, thank you so much, or whatsoever you enter into what position or whatsoever. At least I know, okay, what you guys are doing, or you guys like the content or what. Okay, okay, just give me some comments. Okay, I would love to see some response. 270个人 in the SVI. Okay, so with that, thanks so much. I will see you guys next Monday, or there's more updates, I'll update you guys again here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.